Imagine if you could sell gift cards using QR codes on HighLevel. QR codes are a great way to get people to scan and then purchase gift cards using this infrastructure, especially for in-person events like retail stores or farmers markets, Whole Foods markets, things like that, where people are apt to scan a QR code and now you can send them straight to the gift card screen in order to let them purchase a gift card for themselves or for a loved one. This is an awesome feature and I'm going to show you how it works. My name is Andrew and let's dive right in. Now, if you haven't created a gift card already, just go to payments on your sub account and then navigate to gift cards and then you can click create gift card. You'll just enter some information like the title, description, different amounts that people can buy the gift card for. And then once it's created, you'll see it in your gift cards dashboard here like this. Now, once you have your gift card, you have a couple of different options to get the QR code. For one, you can just hover over the gift card and then you'll immediately get a QR code here. And if you want to download the QR code or share it, then what you can do is just click the QR code button right here. It's next to the sell button on the gift card item. And then you will get the QR code itself as well as the sell URL. This is just where that QR code is directing to. It's the payment link for that QR code. Then if you want to share this QR code, you can either click share, which will open up your device's native sharing capabilities. So if you're on like a Mac, it'll open up your texts and emails so you can send it to people or airdrop it to someone. And if you're on other devices, it'll do something similar. Or you can simply click download and then this will download the QR code to your device. Now, when someone scans this QR code, what will happen is it will open up this QR code purchasing page in which it'll go through the entire purchasing process for the actual gift card. They can select their denominations and then make their purchase on this page. And it's the exact same checkout link as the regular checkout pages. This just gives you a native QR code that HighLevel already has built that you can then download and share with people in order to start selling your gift cards using QR codes. This is pretty straightforward, so feel free to go check it out, create a gift card and share it with that QR code. You can put it on your website, you can put it on business cards. There's a lot of awesome use cases for using QR codes, especially for things that are tangible where people are likely to take out their phones and scan. Of course, if you have any questions about gift cards or how to sell them using QR codes, just drop a comment below or you can check out the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew and thank you very, very much for watching.